Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Renee and welcome to my very first YouTube video. I'm so excited. Actually we are only a few seconds in and I'm already lying to you. I had a YouTube a long time ago, during the pandemic, so like 2 years ago. And I didn't really know myself then, so I was kind of just making videos that I thought I should be making, I guess. But since then, I have moved to the opposite side of the country from everyone I know, restarted my life and done a lot of self-discovery, looking inwards, meditation, all that good stuff to really find myself. And one thing I have discovered is I love a good car camping moment. So I'm going to show you today how I pack my car for car camping, how I pack even just my things to put in there, how I set up my car. I've only done this 3 or 4 times, but I'm telling you, after the first couple times, you'll learn a lot. But I'm not a pro, and I don't do this full time. I just do it to get out of the house and get out in nature. This is probably going to be one of the last warm weekends for a while, so I really want to cherish that and enjoy some time outside before it gets cold. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. Okay, so we are going to begin by packing like random stuff into this. I'm just gonna put like food and some supplies in here. It's really hard to open for some reason. Oh my god! What the hecky? Okay, so let me move this closer. All right, so for this trip I got Ziploc bags. I'm probably not going to bring this whole thing, so I'm going to just take a few out. I think 3 should do. So I actually have celiac disease, which means I have a gluten allergy, which makes car camping even harder somehow. So I try and buy little gluten-free snackies like this. These are gluten-free fig bars. Baby wipes, an essential. These are amazing. They taste like sour candy. They're so good. So I pack these, and then I actually just bought yesterday, I'm so excited, propane gas grill. I'm so excited. I have not had this for car camping previously, so I've just had to eat like cold food, but I'm excited for this. So I'm actually gonna bring my favorite mashed potatoes. Instant mashed potatoes are the best. We can 1v1 over it. I don't care. I love instant mashed potatoes. Okay. I'm gonna bring some broccoli and cheese soup, and then some vegetable lentil soup, some spring onion ramen. I'm only going for a few days, so I'm not bringing too much. I mean, I always kind of overpack, so a little protein bar. I only had 1 left, so might as well throw her in there. And I got these really cool lanterns. I had to pack those. I'm gonna blind you for a sec. How cool is that? So I'm gonna pack those. Hopefully they'll fit standing upright. I think they should. I bought myself a pee canister, so I'm actually not gonna pack this because I got really sick in the middle of the night of like waking up and getting out of my car and going to use the bathroom. It was uncomfortable and scary. So once I lock myself in the car for the night, I just kind of want to be in the car and I don't want to have to do the whole thing of getting out and yeah. So pee canister. So I got more stuff to fill this up with. I just gotta go grab it, so I will be right back. I've returned, and actually while I was gone, I got a knock at my door for my little folding table. It's not so little, so that'll be fun. All right, so I got a few more things. Pack a little knife just in case. Like, I'll have a knife on me for protection, but like I want one in there. I don't know, some scissors. Last time I was camping, my window covers, a couple of them were a little too big. These aren't great scissors, but they'll get the job done if I need to cut my window covers or anything like that. Some tape, once again, a window cover situation. My window covers were falling down, 1 or 2 of them, so if I really need to in the middle of the night, if I'm getting annoyed, I can just tape them. My tarot card deck. I love this deck. It's like a healing deck. And the illustrations are really beautiful, and it's going to be the full moon. Somehow I always end up camping around the full moon, so I want these for that. Come over here. This I did not bring last time. It's a headlamp, and boy, did I regret it for like when I need to get out in the middle of the night. Should I blind you guys again? Probably not. Let me chill. Let me put this away. TP. My hammock, I love her, but I have vertigo, so it's more so I'd like to have her around, not that she really serves a purpose. I hang it up and I don't use it because anytime I do, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. But we're gonna pack it anyway because I just love the idea of a hammock and I wish it didn't make me queasy. This is my picnic blanket. I use it all the time. However, I don't think I'm gonna put it in here because it's gonna take up a lot of space. So I think that's pretty much it for my dry goods, and maybe I'll pack clothes or something next. Okay, I lied. I keep finding more stuff to pack. My favorite little pita bread, gluten-free. Some plastic silverware. My favorite little cup. Pan, because I'm cooking now. I forgot about that for a minute. So, paper plates. A few of those. And one of these. And one of these. And then this, I got like one of those bag salads, so I want to be able to mix it. Dang, I probably should have started with this kind of stuff, but I forgot about it. My toilet paper fits perfectly. All right. Got it. Get it? Got it. Good. And then some dish soap. Should go right here. All right. That's looking good. I don't want to lie to you again, so I may return with more stuff to put in here, but I think I'm done with my dry goods. Here it is all done. Hello. I'm in my closet, in the closet for the first time since middle school. I was going to show me packing my clothes, but I've realized it's kind of pointless because it's kind of an individualized experience depending on what the weather's going to be like, how long you're going for. You don't really want to see me pack. I'm going to vlog while I'm there. So I'll just show you the duffel bag I use because this is a short trip. I use the middle for all my clothes and I use the sides for my toiletries so I can get to them easily. So I'm going to do that off camera. And then I will see you maybe when we pack my car. I'll come back. It was really windy this day, so this portion will be sponsored by VoiceOver. Here's the little car we're going to pack up. Just kidding. My fiance's letting me use his CRV, so this is what I will be car camping in because it's much more spacious. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do here is just crawl into my car and put down the seats. And then I'm going to vacuum everything out because it was dirty. Alright, here's where it gets a little fun. I get my air mattress that's made for the back seat, but I put it right here. And then that thing we packed earlier, I just shove in there until we get to the campsite. And then I come in with my blankets and my blow-up pillows. That is my foldable table from earlier. And then I'm grabbing my foldable chairs and my window covers. Alright, now I'm just throwing my pee canister in there, which I seem to have an emotional attachment to, my propane tank, and my stovetop thingy, and my picnic blanket. Next, I'm going to be blowing up my air mattress for what seems like forever. It was very important to me, apparently, that it would be very firm. And now I'm just putting up everything and making my bed. You guys know how to make a bed. You know the drill. So enjoy me making my bed. I spent the next eternity unraveling fairy lights because I did not put them up properly last time. And then finally, once they are unraveled, I go ahead and just hang them up. I kind of just wing it with this. I just feed it through a bunch of different spots and make it work until it's hung up and looks beautiful. This is the final product, what it looks like on my way to camp before I get there and unpack. All right, so it is the next day, as I'm sure you can tell by my whole different outfit and hair and stuff. I'm getting a little bit of a later start because I had to work till 1 a.m. So I'm pretty tired, but that's okay. The only thing I did today was just throw in like my pillows for my bed and my clothes And then the other thing I did was put in my backpack, my cooler, and my water. I froze my water because I like my water cold, so I thought it would keep it cold just a little bit longer. So here is my setup. These are just my blankets, so there won't be anything here in the night, so I can climb out easily. My bed, and these are just some stuff I'll need throughout the night. And then I set up a camp with 2 chairs because last time on TikTok I only brought 1 chair and everyone was roasting me for it. So here we are with the 2 chairs and my gorgeous view. So yeah, my next video is going to be a vlog of the actual camping, so be sure to check that out. It'll probably be up just a couple days after this one. And you know, if you've enjoyed this, please subscribe and check out my other videos. There's my uncle. And yeah, thanks guys. Leave any comments if you have any questions or anything. Bye.